Today is 2-Minute Tuesday, where I take a very quick video and share with you some inspiration that maybe will get you inspired to make some art. So back in September, I had a total knee replacement. Now this was coming and I knew I was going to have this surgery. It's my second one. So I have 2 new knees and I am so thankful. I'm thankful that I'm able to do this. I'm thankful that we live in a time when we can do this, but it still wasn't easy. But while I was recuperating, I wasn't down here in my studio, which is in my basement, because I really wasn't going to navigate the stairs that regularly. Even though I was doing PT and I was doing all the things, I just wanted to make myself more comfortable. So I set up my art space on the dining room table. And I know I'm not the first person to do that, and I won't be the last. And I just took it over, I covered it with some paper, and I just brought all my art supplies up there. They were accessible and easy for me to just start and stop and come and go. And that's what I'm going to share with you. So I kept this file folder when I was doing my art table, alternative art table upstairs in the dining room. And I just kept a file of all the things that I was working on, that I was making. So, because I knew I wanted to share this with you, so I just wanted to go over everything that I made. This was just a fun little botanical duo that I did, taping it off on watercolor paper, using stamps, some metallic ink. That was a lot of fun. I did a couple of these. I sent some cards out with this motif on it. I carved this stamp that I was playing with, which I think would make really cool washi tape. I have this stamp that I was playing with. I've carved this playing with different ideas. I ended up carving this stamp, which I'm okay with. It's kind of fun. I'm not in love with it. That happens with stamps sometimes, you know. I carved this stamp, which I really wasn't crazy about. I ended up having to remove the inside of the leaves. No, inside of the petals, because I didn't like it at all. And this turned out to be a much more preferable flower design for me. But I'm still not crazy about it, but I will use it. And then just playing on just random, you know, copy paper and just playing with things. Carving another stamp. I don't know why I carved this stamp to be a duo. I don't know. I thought it was going to be quicker to stamp out 2 sets of leaves at the same time. And it's okay. These are some of the stamps that I carved when I was recuperating. And I just, yeah. Some watercolor play, more play. Normally I would do this kind of stuff in a sketchbook, but I was just playing with the paper. This one it turns out I really like this one a lot. This one I like a lot. Stamping on top of watercolor paper, watercolor. And this was a design that I had in a sketchbook or in my pile of images to be carved. This did not turn out at all like what I expected. I think I like it. I don't really know what I would use it for, but I was just trying to play with pattern. Color. more playing with pattern, stamps. That's it for 2-Minute Tuesday. I hope you liked it. I'm going to do some more. I like doing short, quick videos. I think people like watching short, quick videos. And that's all I got for you. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. And like I've said before, this is YouTube. You guys know what to do.